Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Charge 2 Plus Bluetooth speaker. So I am going to show you how to use this social mode button here. So the social mode on the JBL Charge 2 Plus allows up to 3 people to connect their devices to the speaker and takes turn playing music. When social mode is enabled, the last device to press play will be the one controlling the music, making it collaborative way to share music playlists with friends. So how it works is like up to 3 devices can connect to this speaker via Bluetooth simultaneously. Taking turn, any of the connected device can control the music. When one person plays their music, it will play through the speaker. When another person wants to play their music, they can simply press play button on their device and it will take over the speaker's audio. So to use it, you need to connect multiple devices via Bluetooth and enable social mode on the speaker itself, this one. So alright, so let me show you the practical way to use it. So I'm going to show you using 2 devices. You can follow the same steps to connect 3 devices. So alright, let me start that. So how to use that I'm going to show you now. So just turn on the speaker here by using this power on button. So it is turned on. Now pressing the Bluetooth button here. So I'm refreshing in the Bluetooth page. So you can see JBL Charge 2 Plus has come here. Clicking it. So this has been paired. So now I am going to press the Bluetooth button again to pair in the second device. So you can see JBL Charge 2 has come here. So both devices are connected now, you can see here. So now I am going to press this social mode button here. Just see what happens. So both is disconnected. So this has turned on. Now both mobile phones will pair automatically. Both smart devices are connected to the speaker. So now which mobile plays the last one, so the song will start from that device and it will play in the speaker. So this is the basic way to use the social mode of this JBL Charge 2 Plus Bluetooth speaker. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.